Ridhivej Finance presenting GMP prediction analysis for August 2021, that is for Rolex, Krishna, Zaro, Devyani and Windlass, where we have completed a target. We have achieved target for one or two IPOs, where another IPOs we have not achieved the target yet, but we have a meet nearly target. If you see, we have missed out with a few numbers. Hopefully you like this our video. Hey investors, basically we have given the detail of IPO. This IPO has opened up on issue on the 4th August and closed on the 6th August. But Windlass Biotech Limited is not only the IPO which issue has opened up on 4th August. So that's the reason this IPO has get really not up to the mark subscriber, because there is IPO by choice. So you have to choose one IPO or two IPO according to your money and according to your decisions. Yes, we are going to give you a target for this particular GMP prediction for Windlass Biotech. Is the price target discount, if it is offer, it will goes INR 425 only, if it, but probably not, we can't say that, because this is the company which is in biotech, so probably they will gives a good GMP, at least minimum INR 505 and maximum INR 655 for Windlass Biotech, which we are predicting right now. Hey guys, if you see Windlass Biotech chart, where we have offer and discount offer on the day of in our GMP prediction for Windlass Biotech, yes, it has been achieved nearly within a week. That is, they offer discount offer somewhere really low, they show 405, but now they have meet our expected target 426 only. Dear investors, Rolex Ring Limited IPO detail, which we have missed it, but we are giving this IPO was open on 28 July, closed on 30 July 2021. Issue type was book build issue. IPO face value was 10 rupees per equity share and price band between 880 to 900 per equity shares, and market lot was 16 shares per lot minimum, and it was going to list in BSE and NSE. The basis of allotment date is the 4th August 2021. Was initiation of refund happen on the 5th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be happen on the 6th August 2021. That will be tomorrow, and IPO listing date is on 9th August 2021. You can probably you have applied for minimum and maximum number of lot shares. One lot 16 share costing you 14,400, and maximum 13 lot you applied, probably that was 208, and maximum it cost you 1,87,200 was on. Dear investors, we are delayed this IPO details and all. That's the real reason we are giving only GMP, and that in case they offer discount offer, it may cost you 860 INR, but probably no, this company will gives you good GMP. Hopefully, we can't tell to the management, they have to give the good day of listing will be the good. So that's the reason for safely we are given this GMP. Yes, the minimum it can gives you band between minimum will be 1300 INR only, and maximum will be 1590, because this is name of Rolex Ring Limited. This is based in Bombay. Hey guys, Vridhivesh Finance has given a GMP prediction for Rolex Rings Limited. It is minimum 1300 and maximum 1519. We have missed nearly target. On the 9th August, they have achieved the target 1263, means around we have missed out around 37 numbers, that is 1300. They have showed 1263. This chart is not available, so you can find out data from official website if you really wanted to track it. Krishna Diagnostic Limited detail of IPO opening date will be 4th August 2021. IPO closing date will be 6th August 2021. Issue type is book build. Issue IPO, face value 5 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing band between 933 to 954 rupees only per equity share. 15 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity 15 share. Listing at NSE BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 11th August 2021. The initiation of refund will happen on 12th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 13th August 2021. IPO listing date will be 17th August 2021. Krishna Diagnostic Limited prediction for 17th August 2021, that is GMP prediction. In case they offer you discount offer, it may goes up to 900, and minimum we are expecting this share will be get listed, that is 1150 minimum INR, and maximum INR we are expecting 1385 onward only. Probably this may touch up 1500, because if you see Krishna Diagnostic and other healthcare sector currently booming into the market, yes, their competitors too. Hey guys, in case of Krishna Diagnostic Limited, in that case we have given the GMP prediction target is 1150. Minimum and maximum was 1385, where you can see in this chart that is they have achieved maximum at higher end on the day one of gaining, that is 1099.70. Yes, we have missed out with the 15 numbers, not 16, 51 numbers, or 15 rupees 30 paisa. Yes. Zarat Hals Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 4th August 2021. IPO closing date will be 6th August 2021. Issue type will be book build. Issue IPO, face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO prices band between 118 to 120 rupees per equity share. 125 shares market lot size for minimum, and order quantity is 125 share. Listing at NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 11th August 2021. Initiation of refund will be 12th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be 13th August 2021. Listing IPO listing will be on 17th August 2021. Application minimum you can buy 125 share at 15,000 rupees only. Maximum you can apply for 13 lot, that will cost you 1,95,000, and the number of share will be 1,625 only. Vridhivesh Finance give a GMP prediction for Zarat Hals Limited on 17th August 2021. Discount offer in case happen, it may goes 105. Minimum INR will be, we are expecting this get listed the share, minimum INR 145, maximum INR 185, or it can cross to, it does not depends on, because there are number of companies IPO whose least subscribe but they gives better returns, excluding 2 to 3 IPOs which is from the main board category. Okay, so yeah, in this case we can see this company company may gives you good returns on the day of listing too, and it will perform well. It depends on their management too. We can't promise it from our end, but we are expecting hopefully this gives good listing to their investors, hopefully. If you say Zaro Tiles, yes, in this case we also meet nearly target. Yeah, we have missed the numbers where they have touched maximum 132.30, and we given the GMP prediction for 145, minimum and maximum 185. So we are nearly missing the numbers according to our analysis of GMP prediction. Hopefully next time we will work out on this minute things, and we will give it to you nice numbers where GMP predictions meet it. Yes, this Devyani International IPO was open on the 4th August 2021 and closed on the 6th August 2021. And this face value of share will be 1 rupees per equity share, and this IPO price band between 86.90 90 rupees per equity shares, 165 share per lot. Yes, this IPO listing on the 16th August 2021. But probably this will happen probably on 17th August, because 16th August is the day is a bank holiday, if we can see. Ridhivej Finance give a estimated GMP prediction for Devyani International, and we are expecting this company will not give you discount offer. Yeah, they will minimum gives a price on the day of listing, probably minimum INR 120 and maximum INR 160 onward. It may touch 200 too. Hold it for long term if you want to gain in next 6 months. This is our personal after lockdown you can see there is a lot of change in this kind of IPO shares. So hopefully this share will perform well into the market, but who knows what, because there are a number of IPOs are upcoming, and that's the reason if you see the changes in Sensex and Nifty is touching the new peak of the year. Hey investors, if you see Devyani International Limited IPO has listed on today 16th August, where we have achieved our GMP prediction 100%, and this IPO open at 120.80 now. Yes, this has shows 120 point, means we have achieved our minimum target, if you see. And yes, this is our perfect analytics. Yes, we are missed also our maximum prediction, that is 160. Yeah, but they have touched maximum 140.90. So here we said Devyani International is our one of the biggest achievement. Hopefully you like our video. We will bring it to you all the target very soonly for August ending, which we have missed out the targets for the shares, including REITs and the current IPO's target, where we have not met yet. Yes, if you see the track where we have given GMP share target, where one of the companies also achieved, but we have not published our video. By end of the month we will declare so many share target, which we will release on monthly basis rather than the daily basis. Yes, we have achieved the target for Devyani International, that is minimum 120 plus INR. Thank you by Ridhivej Finance. If you really wanted to gain the listing gain, keep a track with us and keep a tab, like us, subscribe us. Yes, thank you who are unlike our videos. We have seen one is liking, another one is dislike the videos. So this is really thankful who dislike us.